Alright, number 15, we want to write this expression as a term with one trig function. So we have 12 minus 6 times CSC squared x over CSC squared x. Okay, so what we want to do first, I'm going to rewrite this in terms of the original three, like sine or cosine. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so I'm going to rewrite this as 12 minus 6 times 1 over sine squared x. Rewrite that cosecant on top, and then on the bottom, this is 1 over sine squared x. Alright, so I have a fraction, and I have a fraction in the top and the bottom. In order to get rid of that fraction, I'm going to multiply by a common denominator. So looking at these two, they both have sine squared x on the bottom. So that means I'm going to multiply the top by sine squared x, and I'm also going to multiply the bottom by sine squared x. Alright, this sine squared is going to get distributed to both terms. So when I get this one, that's going to give us 12 sine squared x. When I multiply times this one, the sine squared will cancel out, leaving us with a minus 6. Right, and then on the bottom, multiplied by sine squared, they're going to cancel out. This leaves us with 1, and anything divided by 1 is just itself. So it simplifies to just this. Okay, we can factor out 6 from both terms. 6, that leaves us with 2 sine squared x minus 1. Okay, so let's see what this is equal to. 2 sine squared x minus 1. That looks like a trig identity. So trig cheat sheet. It looks close to this one, except the signs are different. So I'm going to factor out a negative 1, and we'll be able to write that like this. 1 minus 2 sine squared x is going to be equal to cosine 2 theta. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out a negative. So pull out a negative, this will become a negative 6. And then this will be a positive 1 minus 2 sine squared x. And this is equal to cosine 2. So we get a negative 6 cosine 2x.